Now, going to buy noodles. Love noodles. Ito. Babe, this one, babe. The carbonara. I don't think. Yeah, buying noodles. Noodles, yum. This is yummy. See, this is a yummy noodles. And all. Babe, look for the carbonara that you like. Carbonara bacon. Okay, grab two.
They're so good.
It has? Okay. We're only eating those. Noodles with gasoline. Look at their tongue. It is $5. That uses money. 21,000. Oh my goodness. 2-in-1 Nesty. Babe, they have this one 2-in-1 Nesty. Oh, it's in a pack. Coffee. No coffee.
Tea.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Once we go back to our African home. African home. That's also one of those. What else here in the Bobo duck. Chicken. Okay, let's go. Turn around. Wait. Biscuits. Yeah, it's past through there. And watermelon. I'm looking for the laundry soap. Detergent. Detergent. Stuff like 100 pesos vegan. What is this? Fabric conditioner. Excuse me. Should I grab this one now? Because when I get it from the store, smaller of this one is 4,000. Okay. I think maybe it's long enough. Shake, 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 shake. Oh. Okay, back. Straw. Chopsticks. Do you want straw? Really the fascinating thing. Oh, this is nice. It comes with a lid. Water bottle. This one daddy likes water bottle. This is fancy. Okay. Napkin. Want napkin? Easy can. I get that one. How much was this for Samsung? Which one did we get? Which one did I get babe, the last time? This one, yeah? Mm-hmm. I don't know if it's this one or not. That's cute. Yeah, I think it was for night one. So I think it was like that. This one. Uh, one. Can you just grab me one? Wait, the one that is cheap. We need to look for cheap. Okay. Lip gloss. This one looks like Nana. They changed the name. Babe, give me that one, the salty one, please. This is the cheap one. Okay, I want this one. But this is nice. Ay, no, take it out. What are you doing? Sorry guys, because we're not gonna sleep all night body food. Or this is regular one. 85. Sophie, Panitay, din ano. Why this one is so tiny? This is me. Do we still have that for nighttime or no? Comfort fit. How many pieces is this one? 5 small. 5 small. How many this one? 8 pods. My Bambi is very itchy. Mary. Ouch, itchy. Ouch, itchy. Okay, we're going to the biscuits area. So embarrassing. Rice crackers. Where's our biscuits? This one, cheesy biscuits. Maggi. It's yummy. See, 2,800. I'll grab 2. Do you want to try this one? No, I don't want this one. Why it's the same like it's cheesy one? Let's see. How about the Oreo? Chips? Chips for daddy. Look for chips for daddy. Cereals? Let's look for chips. Chippies. Ruffles. Daddy likes that's body cup. Daddy likes the other kind. Yeah, let's go. Let's move. I want to see the bottom. Coffee. Soy sauce. Babe, I need to check the garlic and onion. Need soy sauce. So yeah, this is fine. It's cheaper. Sweet sauces. Yeah. Tabasco. Okay. Yeah, I need to go to garlic and onion vegetable sections. Butter. Yeah, they don't have the butter that I want. Raspberries. Mm. Here, banana. You want banana? Tomato. I should just buy this one day. Because you see, this is 2,500. 2,100. The 2 onion with that, you need to buy for 1,000. Let's see that. $1,200. Until they don't have the red onion. Yeah, they don't have the red onion. Eggs per tray. What time is it, babe?
2:48.
2:48. Okay, okay, let me do that. Hurry up, buttercup. Apply. Rice. Mm, just pretending shopping. Last, last stop, last stop. Looking for cheaper one. Okay, that's it for now. I want to say bye-bye. Babe, drinks for you? Okay, bye-bye.